Join me as I put this powerful Ryzen 5 Mini gaming PC to the test and see if it can handle 4K triple display gaming and heavy tasks without breaking a sweat. Building a mini gaming PC that can handle 4K resolutions and heavy multitasking is a dream for many gamers and content creators. The Ryzen 5 processor seems like a great starting point, given its impressive performance and power efficiency. One of the biggest challenges is finding the right balance between performance and size. Most mini PCs sacrifice performance for the sake of compactness, but what if I told you that there's a way to have both? Gamers and content creators often struggle with this, especially when trying to set up multiple displays. The idea of having a small, powerful machine that can handle 4K gaming and demanding tasks is incredibly appealing. But it's not just about slapping a powerful processor into a small case, it's about finding the right components and optimizing them for peak performance. Many mini PCs on the market can't even handle a single 4K display, let alone triple display setups. When it comes to heavy tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, or live streaming, a mini PC needs to have some serious muscle. The Ryzen 5 processor is known for its multi-threading capabilities, which makes it a great candidate for handling demanding workloads. But, how does it perform in real-world scenarios? We've put this mini PC through a series of benchmarks to find out. The mini gaming PC we're testing today comes equipped with a Ryzen 5 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a high-end graphics card. In our benchmarks, it was able to handle 4K resolutions with ease, and even managed to keep up with demanding tasks like video editing and 3D modeling. But, benchmarks are just numbers on a screen. What really matters is how it performs in real-world use. We've put this mini PC to the test with some intense gaming sessions, and the results are impressive. From smooth frame rates to quick loading times, this mini PC can handle it all. In our testing, we also threw in some heavy tasks like video editing and live streaming, and the mini PC handled them with ease. The Ryzen 5 processor proved to be a powerhouse, handling multiple tasks at once without breaking a sweat. So, what are the key takeaways from our testing? The Ryzen 5 Mini Gaming PC is a powerhouse that can handle 4K gaming, heavy multitasking, and demanding tasks with ease. If you have any thoughts on this build or want to see more tech insights and builds like this, be sure to comment below and check out our other videos.